everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your fashion boutique business. So if you are also running a fashion boutique business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video we are going to design a chatbot to help customers browse collections, place orders and book fittings. So firstly in this video we are going to design a chatbot using Pabbly chat flow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for fashion boutique business. So this chatbot will let your customers browse collections, book the outfit assist and check the size and fit guide. So this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload by providing your automation. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot. But firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly chat flow account. And here this number is saved as test number. So now let's send a message hello here. Here as I'm sending the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is welcome to XYZ Boutique, your one-stop destination for timeless fashion and trending styles. How can I assist you today? And here we are getting 3 buttons, that is browse collection, outfit assist and size and fit guide. So now let's click on our first button, that is browse collection. Here as I'm selecting browse collection, I'm getting a message which consists of the list. So now let's open this list and see the collections here. Here as I'm opening the list, I can see some of the collections. So now let's click on our first collection, that is for the dresses. Here as I'm selecting dresses, I am getting a message which consists of the best selling dresses. So now let's enroll to a second button, that is outfit assist. As I'm selecting outfit assist, I am getting a message which is asking me to pick a preferred time slot. So now let's pick a time slot here. Here as I'm selecting time slot, I am getting a confirmation message that my styling session has been booked. Now let's enroll to a third button, that is size and fit guide. Here as I'm selecting size and fit guide, I am getting a message which consists of the size guide. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly chat flow. Now for accessing the Pabbly chat flow, you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly chat flow app. In this Pabbly chat flow app, here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly chat flow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly chat flow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow flow button, you will get this flow page. In this flow page, you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for fashion boutique business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, here you can see it is asking me to enter keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter to interact with this chatbot. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to choose templates. So if you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now if the user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options. Now for providing a message, we just have to select text plus button over here, and once you will select text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a welcome message here. Here you can see I have entered this welcome message for my customer, and I have entered the sentence that is welcome to XYZ boutique between these asterisk signs to make it bold, and I have entered this another sentence that is your one-stop destination for timeless fashion and trending styles between these underscore signs to convert the style of the text into italics. Now I am going to add some buttons in this message node. So for that, you can see we are getting the option for add button. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the text. So basically here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's create a first button here. Here you can see I have created my first button, that is browse collection. Now I am going to add some more buttons likewise. So just click on add button and enter the text of your another buttons. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is outfit assist and size and fit guide in this message node. Now if the user selects browse collection, I want to provide them list of the collection. So for that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So I am going to select list over here, and you will get this list node, and here you can see in this list node it is asking me to enter header, body and footer for the list. So now let's provide a body to our list here. Here you can see I have entered a body for my list. Now I am going to add some items to my list. So for that, you can see we are getting the option for add sections. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the section title. So now let's provide section title to a list here. Here you can see I have provided the title as collection. Now I am going to add some items to my list. So for that, you can see we are getting the option for add items. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the title. So basically here it is asking you to enter the title of your first item. So now let's create a first item here. Here you can see I have created my first item of the list. Now I am going to add some more items likewise. So just click on add items and enter the title of your another items. Here you can see I have created two more items to my list, that is outerwear and footwear. Now if the user selects dresses, I am going to provide them details of the dresses. So for that, I am going to drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the details in this message node. So now let's enter the details here. Here you can see in this message node I have description of the dresses. You can also add description of your another products likewise. Now let's enhance our second button, that is outfit assist. So for booking the outfit assist, I am going to ask a question regarding the time slot from my customer. So for that, you just have to go to actions. Here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just click here and you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this outfit assist button with this question node. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the preferred time slot. Here you can see I have entered this question asking for the preferred time slot. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as time here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers this question, I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So for that, I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. Now let's enter our message here. Here you can see I have entered this message for my customer. Now let's enhance our third button, that is size and fit guide. So I am going to provide size and fit guide in a message node. So for that, I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button. Now I am going to enter the size and fit guide in this message node. Here you can see I have entered the size guide in this message node. So here you can see we have created a flow for a chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated replies, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox in the sidebar, and once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chat Flow account, and on this particular number you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customer, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point here is to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through our flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message. Now if the user selects browse collection, we are going to provide them a list of collections. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your fashion boutique business by just using Pabbly Chat Flow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.